Welcome back, everybody. You're here with Shay, and we're here for another plan with me in my Happy Planner Classic Vertical Decor Planner. This is just where I usually do all of my challenges for the different groups. And I will be doing a challenge for the week of January the 24th through January the 31st. The challenge, now I have two challenges. One was either wrong or squad girls, and then the other is escaping winter. So instead of doing two separate spreads, I'm going to try and combine two themes into one spread, because this is my deco planner. This is where I go all out with the challenges. So I wanted to keep them all together to flip back through during the year or at the end of the year. So with that being said, I think I'm going to use Stronger Together. I don't know. Maybe Happy Year. Squad Goals, and then the stickers book here. I usually pre-plan, like I usually go and pull the stickers that I know I want to lay down, but it's already Wednesday and really don't have time for that this week. So guys, I'm just going to try to wing it. You know, usually when I pre-plan and do my spreads, I usually do a better job of putting them to the paper. But, you know, we're just going to be spontaneous and we're just going to do it. So if you're interested in what's going to happen here and how it's going to turn out, stay tuned. Okay, we're going to get right to it. We are going to flip to the week of the 25th through the 31st. Going to put that right there. Hopefully that's in the frame so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, I'm a little nervous about this one, to tell you the truth, because like I said, I really don't have any idea what is going to end up in this spread. All I know is I'm escaping winter with some squad girls. So The books that I used were stickers, squad goals. I used 2 layered boxes, and I believe that was it. I don't think I pulled from anywhere else. The florals came from, wait a minute. The florals, I don't know where they came from. I just had the book. But the florals came from here. The stickers. HP book. So that's it, you guys. That was a tough one for me. I'm not even going to try and hide it. I think this is a cute spread here. Room to write, decor. It's escaping winter. We're hoping for flowers and some picnics and some bike rides and warmer weather. And so yeah, this is it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this spread, please comment. If you're not yet following me, please hit the subscribe button, and also run on over to Instagram and follow me at Plan.adayshay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your support. Love you.